Tired of soggy fries or unevenly cooked chicken in your air fryer? The problem might be the type you're using. Today, we're comparing basket versus glass air fryers, and I'll show you which one really delivers perfect meals every time. In the next few minutes, we're breaking down the pros, the cons, and the best models of each, so you can finally answer the question, which air fryer is really worth your counter space? Let's start with the classic basket air fryer. This model uses a drawer-style basket that allows hot air to circulate around your food, making fries, wings, and veggies crispy with very little oil. Basket air fryers are compact and easy to use. The pull-out basket makes it simple to shake or flip food mid-cook. Most models also include preset functions like air fry, bake, roast, and more. Now that we understand basket air fryers, let's see what makes glass air fryers different. Glass air fryers feature a transparent bowl instead of a metal basket. This allows you to watch your food cook without opening the lid, which is satisfying and helps you know exactly when it's done. They usually come with preset modes and sometimes extra accessories. Glass air fryers are often non-toxic and free from coated baskets, which makes them a safe option. So, while basket air fryers focus on crispiness, glass air fryers focus on visibility and even cooking. But how do they perform side by side? Let's have a look at their performance and result. When it comes to cooking results, both have their strength. Basket air fryers tend to produce a crispier, golden brown exterior on items like fries, wings, and breaded foods. The perforated metal basket allows hot air to circulate tightly, giving that classic crunch. Glass air fryers cook more evenly. Their rotating or circulating mechanism ensures heat reaches all sides, which is great for roasting vegetables or reheating leftovers. In glass fryers, you can watch your food cook without interrupting the process, eliminating guesswork. In short, basket air fryers win for crispiness, and glass air fryers win for even cooking and visibility. Ease of use and cleaning. Ease of use is important too. Basket air fryers are simple to handle. Most baskets are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Glass air fryers are straightforward to clean as well, but the glass bowl is heavier and can get hot, so they require a little more care. Space, price, and versatility. Now let's talk about space and cost. Basket air fryers are generally compact, making them ideal for small kitchens or apartments. They are usually more budget-friendly than glass models with similar cooking power. Glass air fryers tend to be larger and cost a bit more, but they offer the benefit of watching your food cook, multiple preset modes, and often a sleeker look on your countertop. Here are two of the best basket air fryers that you can grab on Amazon via the links in the description. First is Cosori Turbo Blaze. Features 6 QT capacity, metal build with ceramic coating, and a 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range. The Turbo Blaze tech with 3,600 revolutions per minute fan and 5 fan speeds ensures even, crispy results. It's ideal for healthy fried foods with up to 95% less oil, making it a popular daily use option. Up next, the Ninja DZ201 Footy Under is a dual basket air fryer for quick meals that saves serious time. It features 8 QT capacity, 17.9 pounds weight, dual 4 QT baskets, and a 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range. With 2 independent baskets, you can air fry, roast, or reheat different foods simultaneously. You also get 6-in-1 functions for versatile cooking with up to 75% less fat. Best for families wanting the best air fryer for multiple foods at once. For current pricing, head to the links in the description. For glass air fryers, we recommend the NutriChef 5.8 quart glass air fryer. It features 5.8 QT capacity, 1,200 watts power, and ABS, PP, and stainless steel build. You get 8 preset modes for fries, wings, and more. A transparent bowl and LED screen let you monitor food in real time. Best for beginners or small kitchens needing the best compact air fryer with glass. Check the links in the description for the latest prices. Another great option is the Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 glass air fryer with a unique compact design. It features 4 QT capacity, glass containers, and 4-in-1 functions. You get both a 6-cup container for small meals and a 4 QT container for family portions. It handles air fry, bake, recrisp, and max crisp with ease. The leak-proof lids and nesting design make storage simple and mess-free. Everything is dishwasher safe, adding to convenience. Best for health-focused users wanting the best non-toxic air fryer. Check the links below for pricing. So which one should you choose? If you want crispy and classic air fryer results, go with a basket air fryer. If you enjoy watching your food cook and prefer non-toxic materials, a glass air fryer is a better fit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Watch this video, Best Food Processors for U.S. Kitchen.